Hello, how are you? This is Harley Division 1800cc, but this have one problem. This too much misfire. I don't know what problem. Please, anyone have solution? Comment in my comment box. How to I make this problem? Because I am very sad, hurting because this my bike have too much problems, misfire, and I need to fix this problem, but I don't know how to fix this problem, and I will change the plug, well, and oil filter, and fix the new battery. I have anyone solution? Please send in my comment box what problem, because now I am tired. This problem have too much big problem. If this my bike no have solution, I sell this bike.